This is a tutorial how to use this amazing 2.0 glider. This is a hot comb or a glider. It's hot, getting hot up to 450, but this one you can still touch. It's ceramic and it's perfect for everyday touch-ups. How it's used? You're taking a section of the hair. Definitely important, brush your hair before that we don't have any knots. Of course, I'm using the straight ahead paddle brush with the natural boar's hair. It's a best-selling brush, especially guys if you have a really tangled hair or you're tender-headed. This is really must brush. I like to use it on the dry hair, wet hair. You can use it with a blow dryer. The plastic is heat resistant, perfect brush for every day. Now I'm just taking the section of the hair just like that. Take a bigger section rather than smaller section. Now, make sure that the hair is inside, and I'm right away turning the brush, making sure that the hair are touching, like the brush touching back of the hair, and sliding gently. Just like that. Look at that. It's giving illusion like the blow dry. Again, taking bigger section of the hair, taking the brush, making sure that it's really adjusting well, turning the brush, and you see the hair right there. And what you do, you're just gently sliding downwards, just like that. As slower you go, definitely the tighter curls or more volume you're gonna get. Just like that. Look at that. How gorgeous is that, right? If we're doing the other side, again, we're taking section of the hair, putting the brush in, turning it, making sure that my hair is touching the back of the brush, and just slowly gliding till the end. And it's making you kind of like a blow dry effect. I'm just gonna make the ends perfectly curly as well, just like that. Just keeping it and gliding it through the hair, just like that. Look at that, right? Again, if we want to do something like that, I'm gonna split my hair using the section. Again, closing it, turning the brush, and going slowly through the hair, gliding, right? And it's giving you more illusion of the open curl. I'm doing this one the same here. I like to take a bigger section, again making sure that my hair is detangled, pushing my hair in, turning the brush, and gliding the hair slowly down, just like that. You see, and it's giving me more like this kind of blow dry effect, just like that. I love to use the glider, especially in between appointments, or Monday I flat iron my hair, the next day I'm just using the heat comb or heat brush. It's really perfect for traveling. It doesn't damage your hair. You don't have as much direct heat as you're doing with a flat iron. And if you like these more natural type of curls, this is the way how you can style your hair, just using this super cool heat brush. And this is the kind of like the final product. Get yours today.